All right, we're here today at Klein Electronics, drop testing the new Pocket Plus G3. Looks like the battery popped off. Let's put it together.
16.
All right, we got some scratches here. Still okay. Let's see it, turn it around. All right, let's do a test real quick. Audio test, go for it.
Ken, can you give me a 5 count, please?
Yes, sir. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Testing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And there you have it, 22-foot drop test with the Pocket Plus with no case.
Welcome back to Klein Electronics. Today we're going to be talking about the 3rd generation Pocket Plus and its features, as well as the Pocket 6 rapid rate multi-unit charger. Based on your demands, we upgraded the Pocket Plus. We now have multiple options for charging. We kept the USB-C charging option, and we also added contacts to the housing to accommodate our brand new Pocket 6 drop-in charger. Now let's talk about the Pocket 6 charger. We listened to your feedback and invested in the development of a rapid rate, affordable desktop charger built just for the Pocket Plus. This charger is great for large teams with tons of radios that need to get charged quickly. You see these green lights? We got there in as little as an hour and a half. And with all of that power, we were able to keep the charger compact so it doesn't take up a lot of space on your desk. You can simply just drop in your two-way radios and get to charging. For more information on the 3rd generation Pocket Plus or this Pocket 6 rapid rate desktop charger, visit kleinelectronics.com or give us a call today.